Hey guys, welcome to another Lovebird channel
Hello.
with me and Tom. We were in town, just walking around,
Yep.
spending my card money on for my
I'm
surprise
spending
dad.
my cash on Christmas presents.
Obviously. Next weekend's a big fun thing for us too.
Hello.
Panto, isn't it?
Yes.
What should we say?
Chelsea is the best team.
Obviously, and what are Spurs? Can't believe it. 11 months already for
Nearly
us two.
12. Nearly a whole year.
Yes, nearly. So yes, nearly 12. You mean like nearly like 1 year? So remember, remember to subscribe to me
And me as well.
and Tim, and go to my Instagram and
And mine.
TikTok and Snapchat. See you guys.